welcome back to Dee's Product Reviews. Today we are reviewing this candy. We bought it at Costco. I'm not sure where else it's sold, but it's Swiss Delice, D-E-L-I-C-E. And it is extra creamy milk chocolate with a touch of ground hazelnuts. They're little candies like this. And it's Swiss chocolate, so it's higher quality chocolate than, you know, your average confectionery store chocolate. It comes in these little triangles. It's a little warm in here, but they're not like really hard chocolate to begin with. When you break it, it's kind of a really creamy, almost bendable, but not quite, like a more softer chocolate. This is 1.5 kilograms and it was $13.99. When we first got this, I went through and actually counted them, but that was after we had eaten a bunch of them. The closest we can come to is these are sold by weight, so the number inside will vary, but it ranges in about that there is about 300 of these in this container, so in this package. So that's an enormous amount of these. I think it works out to be about 4 cents a piece. And these are great if you're having, you know, company over at Christmas time, things like that, to have little chocolates that won't break the bank. And if you're making cupcakes for a special occasion or something like that, these would be incredible, where you know, it's hard to get chocolates this size that are economical enough to use in baking as topping and that. So you can put this big thing in the top of a nice blob of buttercream icing. It would look amazing. But at only 4 cents a piece, you can afford to do that. It's not like you're spending 15 cents a piece like some chocolates. And I have to tell you, we all love them. It's got such a creamy texture, not too sweet. Now, we did get the milk chocolate, but these are also available in dark chocolate. Our family just prefers milk chocolate, so if you like dark chocolate, they sell them as well. I have no idea where else you can get these besides Costco, but it's a very large bag at a very good price, and we highly recommend them. I'm going to be using these, like we keep a bowl around that's full of them. We keep it, you know, about half full of these to just grab a little snack once in a while. And I'll be using these in baking and decorations and things like that as well, because at this price it's well worth it, and it's such a high quality chocolate that it will really up the game on your baked goods. So this is a big thumbs up from me, and give it a try. If you've already tried them, write in the comments and let us know what you thought about them. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and it's important to our channel. So until next time, have a great day.